Gingham #2 is a brand new collection from hot off the press. Now there are 12 by 12 papers, and that's what I'm going to start with. So let's get the 6 by 6 out of the way. You're going to get 12 by 12 papers, and every sheet has a small gingham on one side and then a larger gingham on the other. There are 6 colors, as you can see, and let me just walk you through all of those colors. These are, so you're going to get the pink like I just showed you, and you can see the larger on the other side, a blue, a purple, kind of lavender actually, and then we have a teal, and then we have a salmon color, and then we also have a gray, very classic looking. Now, because this is hot off the press, you are always going to get ideas included right in the packaging, but let me show you what they are. So here is the 12 by 12 page, and I do have to tell you that Debbie had so much fun playing not only with the sizes of the ginghams, but also with the colors, and that just turned out beautifully. This is our all seasons wreath cutting die with the flowers also cut out of the Gingham #2. These are some of the wishing dots from 49 in Market. And here is a card. Again, she had so much fun playing with the colors, and it just works so beautifully, and with the sizes, of course. Now, you've seen some cardstock in here, so let me just move these out of the way and let you know that we do have matching cardstock in this collection. Oh, by the way, the papers are, as always, on 80-pound paper, so that works out beautifully. And then the cardstock is, of course, cardstock. Now you're going to get a total of 12 sheets. You're going to get 2 each of 6 colors. The 6 colors are right here, but as you can imagine, they are going to coordinate with the papers perfectly. So you've got the pink, you've got the blue, you've got the lavender, you've got the teal, the salmon, and the gray. Now, this is going to work perfectly. In fact, you just had an introduction to it in the projects, because right here, there is the cardstock and the cardstock right there in the salmon color. Oh, so pretty. Okay, well, you saw that we had 6 by 6, and let me just tell you a little bit about it. When we print, we get a proof, and the proof is a smaller size. It was this size. We thought it was so cute that we decided to do the papers in 6 by 6. Now, you're going to get 24 sheets. These are printed on the 80-pound weight paper, just like the big sister papers, and you're going to get all the same colors, but you're going to get a smaller version. So let me just show you. Here's the smallest one on the 12 by 12. Here's the smallest one on the 6 by 6. Then just the same thing on the other side, you get a little bit larger. So blue and lavender and teal, same thing, salmon and gray, and you're going to get 24 sheets. Oh, so fun. And of course, all of these colors are going to match all of the cardstock colors, and it just all goes together so perfectly. Oh, let me show you the idea. Again, hot off the press, you're going to get ideas right there. Here is the card that was done, and it's using one of Janie's stamps, and this again is the cardstock, and playing with not only 2 different colors, but 2 different sizes of the ginghams. Just really fun. We like to think that these are for any season, for any reason. And one thing I do want to point out is they will also coordinate with our dotted duos #2. So we kept similar colors, and the cardstock is going to go there. So you've got a whole collection of dots and ginghams all for you.